Today, we're diving into 10 must-know vegetables that will boost your English. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a lesson. Let's go! Pumpkin. Rich in nutrients, creamy texture, great for soups and pies. Pumpkin. Asparagus. Crisp, slightly nutty, a springtime delicacy. Asparagus. Sweet potato. Naturally sweet, energy-packed, perfect for roasting. Sweet potato. Eggplant. Absorbs flavors well, creamy texture when cooked. Eggplant. Brussels sprouts. Crispy when roasted, slightly bitter, great with garlic. Brussels sprouts. Bell peppers. Sweet, crunchy, versatile in color and taste. Bell peppers. Zucchini. Mild flavor, great for noodles, fritters, and breads. Zucchini. Radish. Peppery kick, crisp texture, vibrant red skin. Radish. Corn. Sweet, juicy kernels, great grilled or as popcorn. Corn. Kale. Nutrient-dense, slightly bitter, great for salads or chips. Kale. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts.